5. Tricks to manage finances so you can breathe until the end of the month. 1. Don't ignore the emergency fund to keep your finances safe. You have to force yourself to save. But it doesn't end there, you also have to have an emergency fund. This emergency fund is needed if you suddenly have to buy a new cell phone because of a pickpocket. Or maybe you need to pay for treatment to a doctor. No one knows what will happen in that month. It's a good idea to prepare funds for unexpected needs. These unexpected needs can make your finances fluctuate at the end of the month. 2. Separate budget for needs and wants. It is natural that human needs alone are not enough. Surely you also have this desire and that which is not necessary. To get around this, you must immediately separate the budget for needs and budget for wants. Do not let you spend all your money on desires and the needs are not even fulfilled. 3. Check invoices and debts. The way so you don't run out of money in the middle of the month is to be wise about all desires, even though it's a natural thing. Before you buy the desired item, remember first whether you still have dependents and bills to pay. Don't let your money run out for fun and suddenly there are bills that you must pay immediately. If you have this, you have to spend from the budget for other needs, and it's only natural that your finances end up dragging, even though it's only the middle of the month. 4. Plan expenses. The next way to keep your finances safe until the end of the month is to record future spending plans. You should already know what you want to buy with next month's salary. By making a shopping budget, you can find out what are your needs or just wants. You have to be cruel to yourself by applying the principle of the scale of priority. 5. Separate the budget from the start. In addition to making a budget, you also have to get used to routine shopping for daily needs. You can do shopping every 2 weeks. When you get paid, after deducting savings and emergency funds, separate your salary into 2 parts. For the first 2 weeks and the second 2 weeks. That way, you will not be dying at the end of the month because your life money is already prepared.